I found the most perfect autumn hiking route in Beijing, and it starts with the street food you have to try. I like it. Hello, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I hope to help you understand cultural differences, break down information barriers, give you an authentic view of Beijing and China. Join me as we experience the real life of Beijinger. It's autumn in Beijing now, and the leaves will turn yellow and red. So it's the most beautiful season in Beijing. And there are many ginkgo trees, so you can just imagine how beautiful it is. So what's the best outdoor activity in autumn? Hiking. So today, here I am. I'm going to hiking in Beijing, and I want to share some routes with you. But this year's weather in Beijing is strange, 5 degrees colder than usual. I'm happy for that. It means more time for skiing. We don't know what time the color will be changed of the leaves. Maybe late October or the early November. Anyway, I'm going to hiking today. This location is in the west area of Beijing. Again, west area. In my recent videos, there are many videos that about the west area in Beijing. I didn't do it on purpose, just a coincidence. You know, the west part, there are full of lakes, hills, and springs. So that's why the emperors of Qing dynasty choose this place to build the resorts, gardens, the summer palace. Hiking is always popular in Beijing, especially among expats. And this location, these routes, I will share you today. There's a subway nearby, line 11, and 500 meters from the subway. From the Fahai Temple to Badachu, 7 kilometers with only 400 elevation gain. So it's a very easy route. Because I assumed if you traveled in Beijing, you don't want to, be exhausted because of hiking, right? So I want to share with you some, easy routes, and just to enjoy the view without, lost your energy. Today, my friends will join me, because we haven't seen each other for a long time. So we want to pick an easy route and chat with each other, just have fun together. But please note it, this route, the starting and ending points are different. But all these routes are not difficult at all. And you know what's the best part about this route? There are lots of food you can start it with. So now I'm in the street that, the north part is the starting point of this route. But on this street, there are a lot of very famous street food in Beijing, so you can try. You can eat it as the breakfast. So that's what I expected. So now let's go and grab some food. Let's go. See the subway station, Moshikou, line 11. I will write it in my introduction. And the street name is Moshikou. Wealth God. See the money on his hand. See, still people live in this house. See, there is a toy shop. Very outstanding among this street. There is a fried cake food, very famous in this area. So I'd like to try this fried cake. I don't think anyone lives here anymore. 古道 Cultural and Creative Dye Studio. Oh, this is 古道, caramel 古道, to convey the cargo in ancient times. See what I said? Caramel. You know, because local people still lived in this area, you can see the old huchong. So many stores for the daily goods.
什么时候你都给他拿开水煮个6、7分熟炒。好好吃。硬辣。
I already smell the food, the food's aroma. Oh, this. This one, 炸糕王, the king of fried cake. 你好，买个炸糕。是热的吗？这个？
刚出锅的，好吃好东西，糖炒栗子热乎的，真好吃，特别甜。
Now it's our chestnut season, and it's hot one. See how they roasted it. See, wow, it's great. The red bean paste inside, and the outside is the fried dough. Sticky rice, I think, the outside. The red bean is not too sweet, and the outside is very crispy. Very sticky. It's very good. I'm gonna to buy another one. It's high calorie, of course, but I'm going to hike, right? Chestnut. This one, yeah. It's warm. Warm is the best. Very sweet. I like it. Another full one. Let's see what else. Oh.
糖炒栗子，刚出锅的，好吃好高级。糖炒栗子热乎好高级，糖炒栗子热乎的，真好吃。
See these bananas? They are cheaper than the center of Beijing because you know it's outskirts of Beijing. It's cheap enough that I want to buy one, but it's too heavy. You know what? You cannot see any stores like this in the downtown, inside Beijing, in the center of Beijing. When you want to buy the vegetables in the center, you always go to the supermarket or some shops, but not this one, you know, without roof, the stalls like. The ancient well of Dragon God Temple. Oh. My friend just texted me that she's on her way, and she told me this is a must-buy street food, the pancake. It's very delicious, so let me try. Look. many vegetables in it. And then I think, the flour is different from what I eat in the center. It's like from Shandong province. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, the sauce is also different. Very good, very chewy. You know what? Now I want to live in the west area of Beijing. So many hidden gems. Oh, the park, Shougang Park in my previous video. And this route, oh, I haven't even started my hiking. But I think we can go back now, right? Because I'm all full. And isn't the main goal eating today? No, I know. Let's start hiking when my friend arrived. And I heard there's a cafe that serves very good coffee. So let me try. Let's go. Grab all the street food I bought. Oh, look all the flowers. Jasmine, 10 yuan. This is the coffee shop, Diamond King Coffee. Today we tried all kinds of king fried cake, king coffee. Of course, this is my own cup, not from this shop. You can choose your coffee beans in this cafe. So it's very professional. Looks very professional at least. It tastes very good, better than Starbucks. Grab my cup of coffee, then let's go hiking. Many cute shops along this street, and just go up, and there's another parking lot, and my friends park her car there. So now I'm going to meet with her all the way up. They are dancing with the umbrella, beautiful umbrella. Wow, dancing. Let's timing. Let's start our hiking.
下有一个免费，它的内容其实不一样，它不那个大哥。我感觉跟我们一起过好多家。
Oh, the world.
回教石，
它可以平窗。
Red leaves. 5 kilometers already. Now we are at Badachu, from the Fahai Temple to Badachu. See, but not finished yet. Let's continue. There are also a lot of temples in Badachu. Yeah. Temple. In fact, Badachu are 8 temples scattered along the mountains from the foot to the top. And this one is one of the most popular ones. The mummified body of a monk who passed away has been preserved in this cave. 我这么远吗？
知道。
Now I'm going to a temple very famous. Let's go. I don't know if it's open to the public today because it's not open all the time. So let's see. Why is this temple the most famous among the 8? Because it houses a relic of the Buddha. So many people come here to pray and burn incense. A relic refers to what remains after the cremation of an enlightened monk. And this tower, the one kept here, is said to be a tooth of Shakyamuni Buddha. These are some Buddhist concepts that I'm not very familiar with myself. Of course, I'm not a Buddhist myself either. Oh, finally, 10 kilometers in total, not 7 kilometers. I'm so hungry now. See, exit. You know, the starting point and the ending point are different. So now we have to take a taxi back to the parking lot. And maybe we will find a restaurant there and to have lunch. Because now I think it's over 2 o'clock, but we haven't had lunch. Oh, so tired. Okay, now I'm back at the Moshikou Street, where I eat the breakfast this morning. And now my friend said this restaurant is very good, so let's try. 对。
你们都不喝饮料？
不喝。哦，我的。哦，谢谢。免葱的。啊。See what I ordered. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.